Now's the time to buy, and now's the time to save.
Make a great choice today with the 2018 Expedition. Powerful, controlled, resourceful. Expedition. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, ambient lighting, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This Ford certified pre-owned vehicle has undergone a rigorous inspection by factory-trained technicians. We notice everything. Enjoy the confidence of the comprehensive limited warranty that offers coverage on more than 500 components. Relax, it's covered. See your dealer for details.
Are you